What's up, guys? Today's video is gonna be short. The aesthetic mod I was talking about last time came in a couple days ago. Velossatech. We are gonna check this out. What's this? Basically get this going. Velossatech design. Let's get it. I got a white color and I don't know. I wanted it to pop, but I didn't know what color to get because obviously black would have been sleek and would have hidden orange on my car. Technically, let's go out to the car. Here's the piece though. Just that way you guys can tell what it is, right? And you're just gonna mount it to the crossbars within the grill. So I need to peel back the front bumper just to throw this bad boy on. So let me show you what I'm talking about. White, I feel like would stand out more behind the grill. Black would not, obviously. Carbon fiber or gray, which I was assuming I was gonna get. Actually, I had the gray one in my cart. I possibly thought was going to be, I don't know why I put it on this side. It's gonna go on this side. Be kind of what I got, but that wasn't the case. I wanted something to stand out. And obviously, I don't know if orange, like an orange, the orange is not like this orange. I didn't want to get red because red and orange clash. I have the M Performance brakes, the blue, so I could have went blue, but then I'm saving up to get TEs, bronze TEs, so blue, gold, blue again, I didn't know. So I stupidly went white so it could stand out, but I'm not sure that that's what it's gonna stay as. Anyways, let's get installing. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind, but Key's video kind of basically went over how to pull the grill out. It's really not that hard. Start from the outside, and then pull, and then apply pulling pressure as you're popping the clips in, making sure they don't get seated. The only one I struggle with, which I forgot was there, which I'm glad I didn't break, was this outer clip. I started at the top, bottom, and when I pulled, I heard a pop, and it was this one coming out because I forgot that was there. So just work your way kind of down, and then don't forget this clip on this side, and it pretty much pulls out really quick. So here's where our intake's gonna go. Our big mouth scoop or whatever you want to call it. It's gonna sit right here basically. Again, I'm not sure that white was the color to go with. It'll pop, but I don't know. Having second thoughts. And going dual versus single, I don't know. I kind of want to stand out, but I'm not sure the shape allows, I guess, for a nice, like single one. Single looks kind of odd versus like the STs and the Subarus and stuff. But let's get this in here. We're doing a little twisting action. Let's see how this fits when installing, because it took a second to finagle. You're gonna want tilt it back, lean it back. Watch, I'm not be able to do it now that I got y'all on camera. The hardest part is getting the big mouth in the back to fit in here. Wow, I just had it, and now that I have it on camera, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. Push back, tilt back, and it slid on last time. Let's do some finagling again. This time on camera so I can get it. There we go. And ta-da. Kind of sits right here, so I just need to even it out. Make sure it's flush against this side over here. Here we go. Boom. And then you're gonna take your plate to basically tighten it onto the X bracket, or whatever you call this bracket. I don't remember if an Allen key came with this, to be honest with you, because I opened the box and I can't find an Allen key if it did come with it, but I found this little ring camera and it fits perfectly to tighten, so that's what I'm gonna use. Kind of dark. Cannot see. Hold on real quick, let me grab a light. All right, much better. So you guys can kind of see. Again, you have to angle it back, twist it on, and basically it sits on the bracket like that, and then you screw it here, or secure it basically. So I'm gonna attempt to do that now that I got some light and I can see the actual holes. Be on there. All right. Then this grill hopefully pops back pretty easy. Ta-da! See, it peeks through, which I think I like the white because it pops, but we'll see in the sun. The gray, like I said before, I was gonna go gray. I don't know that gray would have stood out enough, or carbon fiber. And then again, orange, not matching the oranges together would have drove me crazy. Yeah, so like I was saying before, I don't know that orange would have been the play because it's two different oranges. The blue to match the M Performance brakes, I'm not sure that was a play. Oops. Wrong area. That wouldn't have been a play, honestly. And I wanted to stand out a little bit, so we'll see. We'll see. Let me reverse order these bolts again, put them back in. Pretty quick install, honestly. I just had to go get some a Torx bit. I don't know where my set went. It's probably at my parents' house for some odd reason. So literally the longest it took in figuring out how to put it in, but that only took a couple of tries, and it, you know, fit in down here. Oops. I'm missing this guy right here. I'm dumb. It's like literally right here. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the wind. Like I said, had to pop a Benny before this because I was sneezing my face off. To all my allergy peeps, y'all know what's up. Springtime sucks, for real, for real. All right, let's take a look. Let me back her up real quick. Wow, you could definitely see it peaking. for sure. Now I'm wondering if I should have went dual. Let me get y'all off the stand real quick. Get my life together. The tripod, there we go. All right, so here's the front end now. Again, you could see it. You could definitely see it peeking. Dang, I think I should have got dual so it would have been even. Thought it was gonna be cool. Like the STs and the Subarus got like a oblong shape, so it kind of looks cool just to have one. And to be honest, I think they only sell them by one for those platforms, but definitely peaking. All right, y'all, well, that's it for today. I'm tired. I want to clean this garage so I can film in the garage with the lights. But I think I want to install the flex fuel kit that we have, because I still have that boxed up over here, and run some E. So again, excuse all of the mess. Actually, let's not even show the mess. Let's bring the box over here. And my youngest just turned 2. So we had her party and everything, so it's definitely a dirty ass garage, but we have the BM3 flex fuel kit here. So once I clean the garage, that will be the next install. And I think next we're gonna do more aesthetic mods. And I'm trying to save up for some wheels. I want some TEs, honestly. So that's that, guys. Again, pretty easy install. Honestly, took no time at all. Looks really good. I think I'm happy with the white. Now, it sticks out. Black wouldn't stuck out. Gray might have stuck out. Green, orange, anywhere other, I think would look weird. Like I said, possibly the M Performance blue to match the calipers, or blue to match the calipers. But to be honest, if I got gold wheels, I'm not sure. Not sure why the GoPro cut out. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'll catch y'all in the next video for more installs. Y'all take it easy. Peace.